The resplendent quetzal, Pharamacris mocino, is a strikingly beautiful bird native to the cloud forests of Central America, particularly in countries like Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Honduras. Revered by the indigenous peoples of the region, it is a symbol of freedom, divinity, and beauty. This medium-sized bird, measuring about 36 to 40 centimeters in length, boasts vibrant emerald green plumage, a striking red breast, and a long tail adorned with iridescent green feathers. The quetzal is best known for its resplendent green and red plumage, making it a stunning sight in its natural habitat. These birds are often considered a symbol of freedom due to their association with the ancient Maya civilization, where they were believed to be the embodiment of the god Quetzalcoatl. Unfortunately, habitat loss and poaching pose threats to the resplendent quetzal's existence, making it a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure the survival of this magnificent bird and to preserve the cultural and ecological significance it holds in Central America.
The scarlet macaw, scientifically known as aramacao, is one of the most stunning and recognizable birds in the world. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, from Mexico to Amazonian Peru, these vibrant parrots are celebrated for their breathtaking plumage. Their striking appearance features vibrant scarlet plumage covering most of their body, highlighted by patches of vibrant blue and yellow on their wings and tail. Their large, powerful beaks are black and have a unique ability to crack open even the hardest of nuts and seeds. Scarlet macaws are highly social birds, often seen in pairs or small groups, and they have a distinct loud and raucous call that resonates through the dense rainforest. They are known for their intelligence, adaptability, and long lifespans, living up to 40 to 50 years in captivity. Habitat loss and illegal pet trade have posed significant threats to scarlet macaw populations, leading to conservation efforts aimed at protecting these majestic birds and their habitats. They play a vital role in maintaining the biodiversity of their ecosystems through their seed dispersal activities, making them a crucial species in the rainforests they call home. Scarlet macaws are not only iconic symbols of the avian world but also important guardians of the rich ecosystems they inhabit. The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, is a stunning and iconic bird renowned for its resplendent and extravagant plumage. Native to South Asia, particularly India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia, the peacock is celebrated for its vividly colored feathers, which are prominently displayed during courtship rituals. The male peacock, known as a peacock, boasts a dazzling array of iridescent blue and green plumage, adorned with striking eye-shaped markings on its tail feathers, while the female, called a peahen, possesses more subdued and cryptic coloring. Peacocks are known for their elaborate courtship displays, where they fan out their magnificent tail feathers in a breathtaking fan-shaped formation to attract potential mates. Beyond their visual appeal, peacocks are also associated with cultural symbolism and religious significance in many societies. In Hinduism, the peacock is considered a sacred bird, and its feathers are associated with various deities. These birds continue to captivate and enchant people worldwide with their beauty and cultural significance, making them a symbol of grace and elegance in the avian world. The painted bunting, Passerina series, is a small, brilliantly colored bird native to North America. Known for its striking and vibrant plumage, the male painted bunting is a visual masterpiece, with a bright blue head, a red throat, and a greenish-yellow body, resembling a living rainbow. It's often described as one of the most colorful birds in North America. The female, while less flashy, still exhibits a lovely greenish-yellow hue with subtle streaks. These birds are commonly found in southern regions of the United States, such as Texas and Florida, during the breeding season. Painted buntings prefer dense thickets, shrubby areas, and meadows, making them somewhat challenging to spot despite their vivid colors. They have a delightful, melodious song that accompanies their presence during the spring and summer months. Despite their beauty, painted buntings face threats such as habitat loss and capture for the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these enchanting birds and ensure their continued presence in the wild, making them a symbol of the need for biodiversity conservation. The lilac-breasted roller, Carassius caudatus, is a mesmerizing and colorful bird that inhabits the savannas, woodlands, and scrublands of sub-Saharan Africa. It derives its name from the striking lilac and violet shades adorning its chest, which contrast beautifully with its vibrant blue and green plumage. With an overall size of approximately 14 inches, it's a medium-sized bird, characterized by a prominent, square-shaped tail, and an elegant, slightly curved bill. Apart from its captivating appearance, the lilac-breasted roller is known for its aerial acrobatics, gracefully performing twists and turns during flight. It feeds primarily on insects and small vertebrates, often hunting from perches and making quick aerial sallies to catch prey. The species' melodious calls and diverse repertoire of vocalizations add to its charm. Lilac-breasted rollers are frequently found perched on exposed branches, making them easily identifiable to birdwatchers and photographers. They're also considered a national symbol in Kenya, representing the country's rich biodiversity and captivating beauty. These avian jewels are celebrated for their vibrant plumage and are a testament to the diverse and colorful wildlife of Africa. The rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus mollucanus, is a brilliantly colored parrot native to the eastern coast of Australia, as well as parts of Indonesia and the Pacific region. As the name suggests, these parrots are a true living rainbow, adorned with a kaleidoscope of colors that include shades of green, blue, orange, yellow, and red. Their vibrant plumage, paired with a distinctively patterned head, sets them apart as one of the most visually striking parrot species. Rainbow lorikeets are highly social and gregarious birds, often seen in large, noisy flocks as they flit and dart through the treetops. Their diet mainly consists of nectar from various flowering plants, which they extract with specialized brush-tipped tongues. They are also known for their playful nature and can be easily tamed, making them popular pets. These birds are a delight to both bird enthusiasts and wildlife lovers, and they symbolize the vivid beauty of Australia's avian biodiversity. However, in the wild, their populations are threatened by habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to protect these radiant parrots. The Gouldian finch, Erythrura goldii, also known as the Lady Gouldian finch or rainbow finch, is a small and exquisitely colored bird native to northern Australia. It is celebrated for its captivating and vibrant plumage, with distinct color variations that include black, green, red, and yellow. The striking coloration, often appearing in combination with black cheeks and a strikingly colored throat, makes the Gouldian finch one of the most visually stunning finch species. These finches are known for their social behavior and are often found in small flocks in their natural habitat, which comprises grasslands and savannas in northern Australia. They primarily feed on grass seeds and occasionally insects. Despite their beauty, Gouldian finches face conservation challenges due to habitat loss and capture for the pet trade. Conservation programs are actively working to safeguard their populations and habitat. These finches symbolize the delicate balance between preserving the beauty of nature and ensuring the survival of unique and vibrant avian species. The mandarin duck, Ix galericulata, is a mesmerizing and colorful waterfowl species native to East Asia, particularly China and Japan. Known for its exquisite and ornate plumage, the male mandarin duck is a true avian gem, featuring a stunning array of colors, including iridescent blues, purples, greens, and striking orange sails on its wings. Its overall appearance is often likened to a living work of art. In contrast to the vibrant male, the female is more modestly colored, displaying elegant and understated brown and white hues, which provide camouflage during nesting. These ducks are highly territorial during the breeding season and often form monogamous pairs. Mandarin ducks have become symbolic of love and fidelity in various cultures. And they are considered a symbol of good fortune and marital bliss in some Asian traditions. Their exquisite beauty and cultural significance have made them popular subjects in art, and they continue to captivate bird enthusiasts and wildlife lovers worldwide as a symbol of the avian world's charm and allure. The harlequin tanager, scientifically known as Coryphospingus cristatus, is a striking and colorful bird species found primarily in South America. Its vibrant plumage is a sight to behold, featuring a mix of red, black, and white colors. This small songbird is often considered one of the most beautiful tanagers in its range. Harlequin tanagers inhabit a variety of forested habitats, including humid lowland forests, montane forests, and even gardens and parks at higher elevations. They are known for their active and acrobatic foraging behavior, hopping and flitting among branches in search of insects, fruits, and nectar. Breeding pairs of harlequin tanagers typically construct cup-shaped nests in trees and shrubs. Their melodious songs add to their charm, making them a delightful presence in their native habitat. These tanagers are a testament to the rich biodiversity of South America and serve as a reminder of the importance of conserving their habitats to protect these splendid avian species. The Atlantic puffin, scientifically known as Furtercula arctica, is an enchanting and instantly recognizable seabird that populates the North Atlantic Ocean, particularly in the northern regions. Puffins are famous for their distinctive appearance, with strikingly colorful beaks that brighten their otherwise black and white plumage. These charismatic birds are skilled divers and expert flyers, employing their webbed feet for underwater hunting and their agile wings for aerial maneuvers. Atlantic puffins primarily feed on fish, especially small species like sand eels, which they capture in their beaks while diving beneath the ocean's surface, breeding in large, densely packed colonies on coastal cliffs and islands. Puffins excavate burrows or nest in crevices to raise their chicks. Their amusing and endearing behaviors, including the presentation of fish as tokens of affection, have endeared them to wildlife enthusiasts worldwide. However, these delightful birds face threats, including habitat degradation and changes in prey availability due to climate change and overfishing. Conservation efforts are vital to ensure the continued survival of these beloved Atlantic puffins and the preservation of their vital seabird colonies.